I wanna know. Ain't going easy, man, the crown is what I'm coming for. Stack them up and then they fall in like they dominoes. Spanish girl and she was telling me to vamonos. I think I spent way too much up on designer clothes, and we doing things that she ain't never done before. Ooh, whoa, I wanna know.
What up? What's good, YouTube? Back with yet another video. So today I just got my springs installed. Got them on Eibach springs. Dropped it about 1.5 inches in the front, which, as you see, you can only fit 2 fingers in here now. Nice and tucked. I like that. Then in the rear, dropped it down 1 inch. And we can get about maybe a finger and a half. So overall, it's nice and tucked. I like it. Only a couple things missing now, and it should be set. Oh yeah, nice and flush. That's it for today's video. If you like what you see, you already know. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.